Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will do the tape script India's Young Heroes. But before we start, let us know who is a hero. A hero is a person who is admired by many for her or his noble qualities or courage. And they possess many good qualities. A few qualities that the hero possesses are here. For example, bravery, determination, honesty, courage, self-reliance, and kindness. Now we will do the remaining exercises of this chapter. E3. Based on your listening to the script, complete the following. National Bravery Awards were started in 1957 by the Indian Council of Child Welfare. The awards were given in order to recognize the children who perform outstanding deeds of bravery. They are announced on 14th November but are presented in New Delhi by the Prime Minister on the eve of Republic Day. E4. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. 1. Martha alias Bubbly was 18 years old. False. She was 15 years old. 2. She was a resident of Delhi. False. She was a resident of Haridwar. 3. Martha saw 6 children playing on the banks of a canal. True. 4. The water in the canal was moving slowly. False. It was flowing with a great force. 5. Martha's elder brother helped her to save 2 children. False. Her younger brother helped her to save 2 children. E5. Write words from the help box for their meanings given below. Down. 1. Making a piercing sound. Shrieking. 2. Ability to control fear when facing danger. Courage. 3. Exceptionally good. Outstanding. 4. A person who lives or has a home in a place. Resident. Across. 1. Save from danger or distress. Rescue. 2. Seize and hold firmly. Grasp. 3. Great respect. Honor. 4. Know from having encountered before. Recognize. E6. Taking help from the given clues, solve the following crossword. Now solve this crossword using the words given in E5.